Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun with BCSC Tech.
Yes, indeed.
As you can see, today we are going to learn about a website called Gooru. Do you know what Gooru is?
Name. I have absolutely no idea what Gooru is.
I bet most of you don't. But Gooru is actually a company that was started by an executive from Google, and he had the idea to get all of the open education resources out there and organize them and vet them and put them all in one place. So it is a compilation of millions of resources that teachers can use K through 12.
They're free.
They're free.
Millions of resources that are just free.
Yep, open ed, and they come from the Library of Congress, from Khan Academy.
So like legit places.
All sorts of places. So there is the website Gooru, but It's Learning has now started a partnership with Gooru, and we are piloting it right now. So what you can do is go into a course. So we are in the 4-Minute Friday Fun course.
What other course would we be in?
That's right. You can go in your tree and click add, or you can just go up to the library tab up here and click library, but we're going to add pieces from the library. So I'll scroll to the very bottom, ready to use content from your library, and it'll sometimes take a second to pop up, and we'll search for something. What do you want to search?
Dogs.
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 So once we search this,
Boston dogs, fancy dogs.
We have 15,000 results. And if you scroll down on the right-hand side here, this is all of the filters that you can do. So right now, I'm actually pulling them in from McGraw-Hill. We have some Pearson things in there as well, but I just want to look at the Gooru pieces. So now there's 15,009 results. Now, other things that you can look at, the type isn't going to be an It's Learning piece, so don't worry about that. But you can do text, you can do images, and it'll filter through some of the results that you get. And then you can also do it by grade level. Now, most of them are labeled K through 12, but you could go to, let's say, a 3 to 6 range and get some specific ones just rated for that. But we'll keep it.
Just because they're labeled K through 12 doesn't mean that your third grader couldn't do it, right?
Correct.
It just is labeled that for convenience.
So a lot of these things are going to be, you can see where they come from even. So this is from the Art Institute of Chicago. Let's do that.
Click it, yeah.
So we can click it. You can rate it as a user.
Oh, that's cool. So you can, as more people use it.
As more people use it, we'll get rating systems and write reviews. But we can also view it. And most of them are going to be pop-out windows to other sources. Again, like this, I'm assuming is going to be from the Chicago Institute of Art. And there it is, the Art Institute, and it's about dogs from
1893.
Yeah. So if it's something you like, you can add it to your favorites, or you can just simply add it to your course.
And put it right into the tree?
It does. There it is.
The dogs.
So you can put it within your lesson to refer to it, or you can right-click on it, copy link address, and put it on a page or in a rich text editor, or do the tree link as well to that resource.
Right.
So there are, again, 2 million resources now loaded into our library. Just for us to use. And check out, they're actually going to send people to come get feedback. So if you use it, let me know. And we can give them their feedback as well. They do not have state standards in yet. So we already know that's needed in terms of a filter piece. But that is Gooru. Hopefully you use it.
Have a great weekend.